Hey guys, it's Rick, Kaleb Vlog. I'm going to show you what we're getting into today. Kaleb and them's going to get some, do a couple of leaf cleanups. And what we're getting into back here is we're going to be cutting these trees down right here. This, all this, cleaning it all up, getting it out of here. We'll get this cleaned up. And I'll show you something else we'll be doing. We're going to clean this up right here. We'll cut that little tree there down. All these trees right here, there's a wall there. We're not going up on top of the wall. We're going to cut everything underneath of it. We're going to pile it all up right here. The city's going to come and pick all of it up. We'll get all that cut out. Move it over here. We're going to put it right here beside this car. What we got going on right today. Kaleb and them's out doing a couple of leaf cleanups right now. We're giving this time to kind of dry up and try to make it when we do a better job. But this is one of the jobs we've had for probably a month or so, and they wasn't in no hurry, and we told them we would get to it once we finish mowing, and that's what we're doing. So we're going to knock her out for them today and try to see what we can get done. So just stick around with us and enjoy the ride. Talk to you a little bit. We've got all this mowed right here. I mowed it with a grandstand. I took it and mowed it. Had a lot of hidden stuff in it, but we got it mowed. And it looks a lot better. Mowed all the way up the side there. And Manny Boy and Kaleb is already cutting this stuff down here. Huh? Mind your way to that mower. Turned out Danny gave him a good deal on that saw, didn't he?
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Stocked up pretty good. You know,
Paid $100 for it. Had to pay 40, almost 50. Well, it would have been 50.
Yeah, but he got a case with it too now.
The carburetor. Why don't we can buy brand new for 170?
Yeah, but not have a case would be $90.
how much was that saw I paid for that part?
$30 some dollars.
We took it easy when I mean, I'll take it easy when I help cut the grass and stuff.
What do you need? Matt, you mean? I don't know. These are right now, but he's got somebody in there now. Well, he'll stay open when he's got a customer, I'd say.
Deal's work?
No, I seen him go up the road with some wood Yeah.
I think Linda's vehicle was while I was
It
on.
was there when I got here.
I know they turned down a plug, plugging somebody's tire this morning because they had nobody working.
Yeah.
We plugged it north with.
What'd he say?
So Danny, he said, just put more hose in.
Working on this right here right now where Kaleb's at. Danny boy still got to get around that pole and all this all the way over to the end of the wall there. These little jobs like this, you think they ain't gonna be that long, but when you get started into them, there's more to them than what you think. I'll get you some more footage there in a little bit. Right now all they're doing is just cutting, laying it down, and they'll have to drag it all down here and haul it all up right here beside this car. And the town is going to pick it up and haul it off. So that's all. We don't have to haul it off or anything. We're still working on it. We've been on it before we eat. We've killed about 30 minutes eating and everything. We've been about an hour and a half on it right now. So, and we're still just got all this pile right here. We gotta get and pull it down here and stack it up. Finish clean that up. We got a little bit more right here to get. Yeah, we're getting there. We'll end up being probably about 2.5 hours, I figure. What's gonna be doing it. So hang with us there and I'll show you what it looks like when we get finished with it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after we're done there, blowing it off. We got a big old pile of brush here, you can see. Got it all cleaned up. And yeah, it looks a lot better. Got it cleaned up the way you wanted it. So we're gonna get off here and we'll talk to each and every one of you later. God bless.